important for Black communities to have access and opportunity that they don't always get. And so an event like this brings people from all over the world, and it brings them together, and it just reminds each and every one of us that there are opportunities out there.
The Essence Festival takes place every 4th of July weekend in New Orleans.
It's like a big old house party, family reunion, and I really love it.
It began in 1995 as a one-time event to commemorate the 25th anniversary of Essence magazine. It has since evolved into an annual 4-day festival that features live performances, conferences, workshops, panel discussions, and more, all geared towards the Black community. The festival promotes, celebrates, and explores entertainment, entrepreneurship, health and wellness, beauty and style, community and culture, and food.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out these other videos from USA Today to stay up to date with all the latest news.